Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good evening, Tanika.
Good evening, sir. The number of rectangles.
Yeah, it is editing mistake. One untitled question is there, but the actual question is the number of
Yes.
rectangles on a chessboard is.
Can I take out my
Yeah.
chessboard out?
Choose your option.
Mm,
The number of rectangles on a chessboard is. 200 rectangles are there on a chessboard.
I think so, sir. I don't know. I just guessed it out.
Okay.
How many are there, sir?
Do you play chess?
Yes, sir. I play chess, but it's been so long playing chess.
Where is settings bar?
Settings bar, sir?
Yeah, there should be setting bar.
You want to go to the settings, sir? You can just type it over there. It'll be done.
Okay, can you see me? Can you see the board?
No, sir, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. It shows me this Zoom login with Google thingy.
By mistake, I closed that button. Okay, we need to re-log in again. I am re-logging again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just needs restarting system.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Read the first question.
The number of rectangles on a chessboard is.
Yeah. How do you think? How do you think that it is 200?
I don't know, sir, but it seems to be 200 because
Okay. How
the
many?
maybe it's like even number of rows add up to be
How
200
many squares
rectangles.
are there on a chess? How many squares are there on a chessboard?
I don't know, sir.
See, I am trying it. How many lines are needed to draw a rectangle?
4, sir.
4. Vertically, yes, yes. Vertically 2 and horizontally 2, right?
Yes, sir.
How many lines are there on chessboard? How many vertical lines and how many horizontal lines are there on chessboard?
Wow. Rows and columns, but I don't know how many. I'll open up it. 8 and 8, sir.
Do you think that eight lines are there?
I took a chessboard picture, sir. Yes, it shows 8 though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It forms a square, sir, with 8 and 8.
One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, it is it is chessboard. See how many vertical lines are there? How many horizontal lines are there?
8, sir.
8. Count them.
1, 2,
Do you
3,
think
4.
that 8 vertical lines and 8 horizontal lines make a chessboard?
I think so, sir.
Shall we count?
Yes, sir.
One line.
Yes, sir. I'll write down. Yeah.
3.
2. Okay.
How many lines are there?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So
9.
9 lines are needed.
Yes, sir.
And 9, 1, C. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6,
6, 7, 8,
8.
9. 9 vertical lines and 9 horizontal lines are needed to make 8 squares.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, it's about rectangles. See, it's not about squares. Can you mark one rectangle? You know
Yes,
one thing,
that.
every square is a rectangle, technically.
Oh, yes, sir.
Technically, every square is a rectangle. What's the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides are equal.
Each angle is 90 degrees. Right?
Yes.
Take a square, opposite sides are equal or not equal?
All angles, all sides are equal.
Of course, opposite sides are, you see, AB, CD. AB is equal to CD. Yes or right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
BC is equal to AD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is also a rectangle technically. Technically,
Yes.
every square is a rectangle.
Rectangle.
In some questions, it should be mentioned that number of rectangles which are not squares. If the word is mentioned that number of rectangles which are not squares, then we should not consider square as a rectangle. But technically, every square is also a rectangle. Agree?
Yes.
And you mark rectangle. Tell again.
Sir?
Mark a rectangle. Mark a rectangle on the board.
That's a rectangle,
Yes,
sir.
it is a rectangle. And you know, it is also a rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
And it is also a rectangle. in such a way, how many rectangles can be marked on this board? See, to form a rectangle, how many vertical lines are needed?
4, sir.
How
Sorry,
many
2.
vertical lines are needed?
2, sir.
2 vertical lines are needed. How many vertical lines are there?
9, sir.
Out of 9 vertical lines, 2 vertical lines are to be chosen. Right?
Yes, yes, sir.
How many horizontal lines are there?
2, sir.
Out of 9 horizontal lines, 2 horizontal
9,
lines are
2.
needed to form a square. Right? Very good. Yeah, I taught you one trick to find its value easily. Do you remember? It is 9 times.
Oh, 9 times 10. Sorry,
9
8
times 8 by
2 times 1
yeah, its value
times.
Again 9 times 8.
36 times 36.
Yeah. Do it on the screen and mark the option.
Oh, 36 times 36. Is it 1296, sir?
Yeah, how could you know 36 square is 1296?
6 6 are 36, no, sir. We don't write anything from the first unit.
Yeah, how could you calculate 36 times 36 1296?
So when we do 36 times
do you know
36,
previously?
Previously?
Do you know the squares of all squares below 100?
Oh, no, sir, I don't.
Some squares
6
you remember.
Yes, I know few squares.
Yeah, very good. Mark the option.
Well, 96.
That's good. Option.
Option for one. There are 15.
There are 15 lines terminating at a point. The number of angles formed. How many angles formed? How many lines are needed? How many lines are needed to form an angle?
1, 2, sir.
Yeah, 2 lines form an angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So to form an angle, 2 lines are needed. How many lines are here?
15, sir.
So these are 15 lines. 1, line 1.
Line
Terminating
2.
at a single point.
3. Is it 15C2, sir?
That's good. That's good. Very good.
So 15C2, that equals 15 times 14 by 2 times 35. 105, sir. Is that?
Yes, that's good. Can you mark angle? This is an angle, you know?
Yes, sir. That's an angle.
This is also an angle. This is an angle.
Yes.
Of course, this is also an angle. No, sorry. Yeah.
It's 9.
So totally how many angles are formed? 105 angles are formed. 15 times 14 by 2 times 1. Very good. Yeah, it's very thought-provoking question. I'm giving 5 sticks. One stick is off length 2 units. Second stick is off length 3 units. Third stick is off length 4 units. And fourth stick is off length 5 units. Fifth stick is off length 6 units, right?
Yes, sir.
How many triangles can you make with those 5 sticks? How many kind of triangles can you make?
Sir, with the question, I think it's 5C3, sir.
Yes, it's ordinary thinkers. Ordinary thinkers answer is 5C3.
Yes, sir. But I'm just...
Yeah, there is some twist in it.
The number of triangles that can be formed.
Can you draw a triangle? Can you draw a triangle whose measurements are 1 to 7? Try to draw on the board screen. 1 to 7.
1, 2, and 7. that's 1. Oh, 1 second.
Can you draw 1 to 7?
That's 1, sir.
Yes.
Let's take that 2. And then let's take that 7. Yes, sir.
See, let us draw. Yeah, let us draw. Let's start. Yeah, it is 7.
Yes, sir.
It is 1. It is.
Yes.
Can it be a triangle?
No, sir.
Or can it be a triangle?
No, sir.
Or can it be a triangle?
No, sir.
So it is not possible to draw a triangle with the measurements 1 to 7. Just take
Yes.
a small example to understand it. Let us take 1, 1, 2. See, this is 2 units.
That's 1 and that's 1. Yes.
This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit.
Yes.
Can it be a triangle?
No, sir.
I drew three lines on it. First line, second line, third line. You know one thing, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2.
Yes.
So these 3 lines forms a straight line only.
Yes, sir.
If you take 1, 1, 3, see it is 3 units, 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, right?
Yes.
1, 1, it is 1 unit, it is 1 unit. Or if you those 1, 1 like this, it is 1 unit, it is 1 unit. Or if you draw 1 unit, 1 unit. Is there any possibility to form a triangle with these measurements or with these measurements? No.
No.
That's why there is a special condition. The sides of a triangle is number. Sum of any 2 sides must be greater than the third side.
That side.
Otherwise, it can't be a triangle.
Yes.
So can it be triangle? No.
No, sir.
No, because yeah, to check whether it can be a triangle or not, add smaller 2 numbers. Check whether it is greater than the big number or not. So now out of these 5 lines, out of these 5 lines, some triangles are not possible. Identify the triangle.
Yes, sir.
Not possible.
2, 3, 5.
2, 3, 5 is not possible, right? One triangle is ruled out. Next.
4, 2, 6.
What about 2, 3, 2, 3, 6?
Sir, 2, 3, 6 is possible, no, sir. It's 5 and 1 length is 6.
How? 2 plus 3?
5.
It must be greater than third side.
Oh, yes, sir.
Next, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6.
2,
Next.
4, 6.
What about 3, 4, 6? Yeah, it's possible. 3, 4, 6.
It's possible, sir.
Yeah, everything is possible. Next, what about 2, 4, 6?
Yes, sir. That's what I was telling. 2, 4, 6.
It's possible.
No, sir.
That's why the three triangles, 3 options. That means 3 cases. 3 cases are to be subtracted from the total number of cases.
Then it's 5C3 minus 3, sir.
That's good. Such type of twists are there. How about you writing JEE main in India? You are eligible, you know.
Oh, no, sir.
Just attempt.
How can I attempt from here, sir?
Not this year, next year. You need to apply.
Like I have to come and write down there?
Yeah. I think online option is there. I will check whether it is available in that. No, online option is there, but not at home. They provide some centers. Rajahmundry has center also. Let us see. Yeah. What's the higher benefits of doing graduation in states?
Higher is going through the colleges, sir.
That means, do you have green card there?
No, nothing. No.
Yeah. Anyhow, if you learn something, if you learn the subject, if you have strong grip in subject, you can utilize that subject in any way. To write JEE,
Yes.
write SAT, or anything. So, yeah, knowledge is divine. Wisdom is divine. Yeah, try to improve knowledge in all areas, in as many areas as possible. Okay. Yeah, to improve knowledge, just enjoy this. Try to enjoy the subject like this. Yeah, it's a question. If a polygon of n sides has 275 diagonals, then n is equal to. Give an example for a polygon. Triangle is a polygon.
Yes, sir.
How many diagonals? Diagonals it has?
None, sir.
No, no diagonal has it. It's square or rectangular, quadrilateral or rhombus or parallelogram or kite or whatever it may be. How many diagonals are there for it?
2, sir.
Yeah, one diagonal, two diagonals, one diagonal, two diagonals are there. Why square has two diagonals, triangle has zero diagonals, and pentagon? We can see pentagon. Do you know pentagon? It has 5 sides.
It has 5 sides.
How many diagonals it has?
1, 2, sir.
I'm showing. One diagonal, 2, 3, 4.
It forms a star. Yes.
Yes.
5.
How many diagonals are there?
5, sir.
5 diagonals. It has 2 diagonals. It has 2 diagonals, it has 5 diagonals.
Yes, sir.
See, the formula is n into n minus 3 by 2.
N minus 3 by 2.
Put n is equal to 3.
I think I'll get an infinite answer.
What happens when we get n is equal to 3?
3. 1 second.
3 times?
Yeah. 3 times 3 minus 3 by 2. That's 3 times 0 by 2.
0. That's why triangle has 0 diagonals.
Yes, sir.
Put n is equal to 4. Is it
270? Oh.
Okay.
4.
Wait. Yeah.
4 minus 3 by 2. That's
Yes.
4 times 1 over 2. 2, sir.
That's why square has 2 diagonals.
Square 2. Yes, sir.
Now, how many sides that this polygon has? One method is options verification.
We can just do n times n minus 3 by 2 equals 275.
That's good. Let me, do you remember the formula?
Sir? Yes, sir, I remember the formula.
One straightforward is take n into n
minus
minus.
That equals 275.
That's
n
good.
times, 1 second. N square minus 3n equals 10, 1, 14, 1, 540.
550.
5, yes, sir. 550. What do I do next?
Yeah, you can factorize it.
Yes.
You can find factors are
N square minus 3n minus 550 equals 0.
Yeah, you can find two numbers whose product is 550 and sum is minus 3. You can find them. Clue is
Yes, sir.
one of the number is one among these 4 options.
15 times, 550 by 15. No, sir. 15, 25.
Are you sure?
Oh,
1 is
yeah.
25?
No, sir. By 25, then we get 22.
22. 25, 22, difference 3. Yeah, that's good.
N square minus 25 plus 22. Yes, sir. N
Yeah.
minus 550 equals 0.
Yes.
Taking n common, n minus 25. Then taking plus 22. Is it plus? No, sir. I need minus.
N minus 25.
Yes.
Are you sure? 22
N
times 25 is. Yeah.
minus 25.
Yeah.
That equals 0.
Right.
So n plus 22, n minus 25. So among the options, n equals 25. So is it 25?
Yes, because n cannot be minus 22. Since n cannot be minus 22, option is 25 only.
20.
Yeah, to save times, we can check options. That means 25 times 22 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is 275.
550 by 2. Yes, sir. 275. Yes, sir.
Yes, answer is right. There is a poll on the YouTube. You can poll. Choose your option.
Poll, sir.
Yeah.
Go. Is it the rectangles on the chessboard, sir?
Yeah. Do you remember answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Well, have your vote.
Yes, sir. I did, ma'am.
Yeah, I just I want to check. Is there any dot that means a circle to vote? Is it provided?
So it's just like we click on the option and it takes our vote.
Yeah. You need to just click on it.
Yes,
Tap
sir.
on it on.
Yes, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's not updated. Okay, let's check. Now, a polygon has 54 diagonals.
It's the same question, sir.
Yeah, same question.
Okay, so I'll just use the
Verification method.
yes, sir. Easier way. 7 times 4 by 2. 28 by 2. 14. It's wrong. 9 times 6. 54. 54 by 2. Won't be the answer. 10. 10 minus 10. 70. 70 by 70 by 2. 12 times 9 by 2. So it's option 4, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. 12 times 12 minus 3 by 2. That equals 12 times 9.
That's good. The answer is
12.
right. Yeah, it's about the number of positive divisors. Right? What are
Yeah.
divisors? How to find them? Choose one composite number.
Composite numbers.
I'm teaching a special formula to find the number of divisors. It may be generalizer question also. For example, if you take 12, what are the prime factors of 12?
2,
Times
6.
2 times 3.
Oh, yes, sir.
So it is equal to 2 square times 3 power 1.
Yes, sir.
You know what are the divisors of 12? 1 is the divisor of 12. Agree?
Yes, sir.
2 is the divisor of 12.
Yes, sir.
3 is the divisor of 12. 4 is the divisor of 12.
4 is it.
6 is the
6 is a
divisor of
divisor.
12.
12 is a divisor of 12.
Yes. How many divisors are there for 12?
6, sir.
6 divisors are there, right? And tell one another number. For example, 15. 15 means prime factors.
5
And
times 3.
right? How many divisors of what are the divisors of 15?
1, 3, 5.
Yes, 1, 3, 5. And 15 also.
Oh, yes, sir.
How many are these?
4, sir.
Yeah. You know how 4 divisors 15 has, because the powers are 1. Add 1 to it. It is 1. Add 1 to it. Multiply these two values.
4, sir.
That's why it has 4 divisors.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
the same way. Add 1 to 2. Add 1 to 1. And multiply
3, 1.
3 times. Yeah, 2 plus 1 is 3. See, number of divisors are 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 1.
Yes.
Power of 2 is 2. That's why 2 plus 1. Power of 3 is 1. 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2.
Yes, sir. That's why
So it's
6.
very useful point in mathematics to find the number of divisors. First, it should be expressed in the form of prime factors, prime powers. 2 is a prime
Yes.
number, 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Notice the point, 4 should not be used here because 4 is not a prime number.
Yes, sir.
Of course, 4 is a divisor of it. 4 is divisor of 4 must be a divisor of that number, that particular number, but 4 is not used here. Because 4 is a composite numbers, only prime numbers are used here. Okay, to apply that formula, see that the given number is expressed in the form of prime numbers powers, prime powers, right? After expressing it in that way, the number of divisors can be found by using our formula. What is that? What is our formula?
N times n minus 3 by 2.
Do it on the screen.
Sir. N times n minus 3 by 2.
No, this formula is for diagonal, number of diagonals.
Yes, sir. For this one?
Number of divisors. Yeah, I add 1 to each power.
Oh, yes. So it's 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 3 plus 1. So it's 6, 7, 4.
Yeah.
Then we multiply, sir.
Yes, yes.
Then it's 7 fours 28.
28, 6.
168.
168, right? Option?
Option 3. Sir.
Right.
It's not 12, sir.
It's not 12.
It's not.
How could you say?
Remember the previous question, sir? We did 12 times 9 by 2 and it was 54.
Yeah, it is 108, 54.
Yeah, so I don't want to do it.
Since it is 170, 12 is ruled out. Very good.
It's not 17, sir.
Are you sure? 17 times 14.
7 times 14. Yes, sir. 238 by 2.
Because 17 times 7 cannot be 170 because it ends with 0. 170
Yes.
ends 0.
So it's option 3, sir.
Yes, that's good. 20 times 17
20 times 17.
by 2.
That's 340 by 2, 170, sir.
That's good. That's good. Do you remember it's the previous question?
Sir, will they cancel now?
Let me remind you of one formula. NCR, NCT plus NCT minus 1. N equal.
CR plus NC
C.
R minus 1 equals N.
PCQ plus PCQ minus 1. The first point is P equal.
So it's P plus 1
Yeah, P plus 1 C.
C
Bigger
R.
number. Bigger
Like
number.
Q. Yeah, bigger number.
PCQ plus PCQ minus 1 is equal to P plus 1 CQ, right?
Yes, sir.
So how to answer this question? NCR plus 1 plus 2 times NCR plus NCR minus 1. How much?
Oh.
The trick
N
is to write this as NCR plus NCR. That is NCR plus 1
NCR plus 1 plus
plus
NCR
plus NCR.
NCR plus NCR minus 1.
Yes. Now you can use formula for these two numbers and also for these two numbers.
Yes, sir. So it will be, I'll use the second one first, sir.
Yeah,
So
second
it will
one, right. It is.
So it's 2 N plus 1.
Second one?
Yeah.
No, N plus 1 C. Bigger
N+1
index value.
CR.
Very good, very good. Next.
For the first one, it's is it the same one? Yes, sir.
Yeah, N
So
plus
it's
1.
N plus 1 CR plus 1.
That's good. That's good. Now add these two values.
So N plus 1 CR plus N plus 1 CR plus 1 equals N plus 2, sir.
Yes, that's good.
N plus 2 C R
Yeah,
1.
R plus 1. That's good. Very good.
Oh, it's option 3, sir.
Yes. Very good. Any idea about this question?
6 points are taken on a circle. The number of triangles formed inside the circle is.
Let's do some experiments. I'm giving 3 points. Draw as many triangles as possible with these 3 numbers. This is one number. How many triangles can be drawn with these 3 numbers?
None.
Sorry, number not with these 3 points.
None, sir.
None. With these 3 points,
A right angle triangle, sir.
of course, its nature is not necessary. How many triangles? How many triangles can be formed? Can be drawn?
One.
Only one, right? How many triangles can be formed with these 4 points?
1, then 2, sir.
2.
And sorry, 3. 3, sir.
And
Did I? 4, 5, 6, 7.
no. See, these are the 4 points, right?
Yes, sir.
This is one triangle. right?
Yes.
This is second triangle.
Yes, sir.
Now I am using different color. This one is third triangle.
Yes, sir.
This one is fourth triangle.
Yes, sir.
How many total number of triangles are there?
4, sir.
Triangles are there. Because 4 points. How many points are need to try triangle?
3, sir.
That means 4 out of 4 points, 3 points are to be chosen. 4C3.
4, 3.
Its value 4 times.
4 times 3 times 2
That's
by
it.
3 times 2 times 1.
That's why 4
4.
triangles are formed.
Oh, then it's 6C3, sir, for
Just
the
wait,
answer.
just wait. Now I am giving 4 points. How many triangles can you draw with these 4 points?
Triangle, sir?
How many triangles? How many triangles can be drawn?
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3.
What?
Oh, I'll do it again. I got 3, sir. I'll use a different color one.
As different colors.
So this is 1, no, sir.
Yes.
That's 2.
Yes. Agree.
Okay, 1 second.
The whole, the big triangle.
Then I did that. Then I did that, sir.
Yeah. How many?
3, sir.
These are the 4 points. 4 triangles can be drawn. These are also 4 points. Only 3 triangles can be drawn. What's the difference?
The way the points are situated,
Yeah,
sir.
very good, very good. So among these 4 points, 3 points are collinear points. You know what are collinear points? In a line.
Yes, the one in a line. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 lines are collinear. So number of triangles formed by those 3 lines is 0, of course. But this 3C3 value is equal to 1. 3C3 value is equal to 1, right? That's
Yes.
why out of these 4, 1 is subtracted. The total is 3.
Yes.
See, if we are given 5 points, of these 5 points, 3 points are collinear. The total number of triangles formed out of these 5 points is 5C3 minus 1 only. Because the value 3C3 is equal to 1 only.
Yes.
Yeah, right. See, if there are 6 points, among those 6 points, 6 points. Among those 6 points, 3 points are collinear. So the number of triangles formed out of these 6 points is 6C3 minus 3C3.
Minus.
Now the final conclusion is M points are there. M points are there. N are collinear. M points are there. N are collinear. The number of triangles formed out of these M points in which N are collinear is MC3 minus NC3.
Minus NC3.
The triangles formed out of the calculation formed out of these N points should be subtracted.
Yes.
So the number of triangles formed out of M points in which N are collinear is MC3 minus NC3. Got the point?
Yes.
Now, see, it is a clue. 6 points are taken on a circle. It's a big clue. Out of these 6 points, how many are collinear?
All the 6.
How many are collinear? How many are in a line? Collinear, in a line. 6
None.
points. None. Very good. To get that point, they gave the point circle. No 3 points are collinear in a circle.
Yes.
It's a circle. If you mark 6 points on it, no 3 points are collinear. All the 3 points, all the 6 points are different. These are the 6 collinear points. See, no 3 are collinear.
Yes.
Because circle, the property of circle changes its direction at every point. At every point, its direction changes. First, it has this direction. After this point, it has another direction. So, the specialty of the definition of one of the properties of circle is no 3 points on any circle are not collinear. Now, answer for this question is?
So it's 15C3. Sorry, 6C3.
Yeah, find its value.
Yeah. So it's 6C3 that equals 6 times 5 times 4, 3 times 2 times 1, 2, 4, 20, sir.
That's good. Answer is 20. Once I saw you one number 100 factorial. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
100 factorial. Okay.
You should.
Yeah. 100 factorial. Likewise, let's have tell your any number whose factorial you know.
Factorial, I know, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, 5, sir. 5
5
factorial.
factorial. 5 factorial is equal to
5 times 4 times 3
yeah,
times
its value
120. Sir.
now 2 to the power of 4. Which number divides 120 for which value of r?
60, sir.
For
No. 120, like
120 divides 2 per something. What is that something?
60, sir.
2 per 60.
No.
2 per 7 is 128.
Oh. Yes, sir. 64, 128.
Yeah.
To say.
For what value of r? 2 per r divides 120.
Oh, how will we know that, sir? Do we have to factor the 120?
Yeah. First start. 2 per 1 divides it.
No, sir.
2 per 1 divides 120.
No, sir.
Yeah, 60 times.
Oh, that way. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, what about 2 square? 2 square divides it.
Yes, sir.
What is 2 cube?
8. 120 by 8. Yes, sir.
Yes. 2 per 4.
Yes. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's 16. Oh, 120 by 16. No, sir. 7.5.
Are you sure?
It gives 120 by 16 is 7.5.
4 table 4 times 4, 30 times. Are you sure? Yeah. 2, 15. No,
That's
not possible.
true. Yes.
So up to 2 cube only.
Yes, sir.
So our answer is 2 per r divides 5 factorial. Then the value of r is 3 only.
Oh, yes, sir.
The value of r is 3 only, right?
3. Yes, sir.
But here the question is 7 per r divides 55 factorial. In case of 5 factorial, we find its value 120. We can find the value of 5 factorial 120.
Yes.
But can we find the value of 55 factorial? Is it possible to find 55 factorial?
No, sir.
No. But even then, we must answer this question. The reason,
we have
the reason behind saying the answer is 3. Clearly, answer is 3. Agree?
Yes.
See, first of all, do you remember the value of bracket, fractional part. 5 by 2 power 1. 5 by 2 square. 5 by 2 cube. Plus so on. You know the fractional part of integer part. Step off. What is the value of step off 3.14? Do you remember? 3.
Yes.
What is step off 7.6?
7, sir.
7. Step off 7.9 also 7 only.
Yes, sir.
That way, what is the step off 5 by 2 power 1?
5, sir. No.
5 by 2 to the power of 1.
5 over 2.
Yeah. 5 over 2. Step off 5 over 2. Its value?
2.5, sir.
Yeah. Step value?
Oh, then 2?
Yes, very good. What's the value of 5 by step off 5 by 2 square?
5 by 4, 1.25. So it's 1, sir.
1. 5 by 2 cube?
5 by 8.
Yeah.
0, sir.
0. Now, what's 0? Then everything 5 by 2 is 0. Step off 5 by 2 power 4 is also 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then onwards, everything is 0.
Yes, sir.
So the total is 2 plus 1.
Yes, sir. 3.
That's why it is 3.
It's 3. Yes, sir.
Got the point?
Oh, then it's going to be 55 by 2.
No,
Step
not
off
7, 7, 7, 7, not 2. It is 7.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Got it.
Do it on the screen.
Oh, yes. It's going to be step of 55 by 7 to the power 1.
Very good.
Plus 55 by 7 square. Plus 55 by 7 cube. Step that equals 55 by.
What about next? 7 power 4?
So after checking this, we can check those now, sir. If it's possible or not.
Yeah, we need not take. 7 cube is 343.
Yes, sir. 7 square, 55 by 343. That's 0, sir.
0, yeah.
0 plus, yeah, everything else is 0.
Second one is not.
Isn't
Second one
it
is not
3?
0. First one is 7, okay. What about the second value?
7 square is 340. Oh, sorry. 55 by 49. It's 1, sir.
That's
Plus
good.
55 by 343. That's 0.
Then onwards, everything is 0.
Yes, that equals 8.
That's good.
That's why the answer is option 3, 8. Is it the same method, sir?
But in our method, only prime numbers are to be used. 2 is a prime
Yes,
number, 7 is a prime number. But here it is 10. 10 is not a prime number. So, what are the prime factors of 10?
So 2 and 5. We can just write 2 times 5 now, sir.
Yeah. First of all, we need to find 2 power something. Okay.
Yes.
To find it, 51 by 2. Step off 51 by 2. Plus step off 51 by 2 square. That is 4. Step off 51 by 2 cube, 8. 51 by 2 power 4, 16. 51 by 2 power 4, 32. 51 by 2 power 6, 64. What is its value? Step off 51 by 2.
25, sir.
25 plus
12.
plus
6.
Plus
3, sir.
plus
51 by 32. 1.
next onwards 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is
25 plus
37,
12
43,
6 plus
46,
3
47.
plus 47.
Now it's for 5.
Five square 25. 5 cube 125.
It's not, it is 0.
Okay, so 51 by 5. 10 plus
And
51
plus
by 2, sir.
12. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 51 factorial is equal to 2 to the power of 47.
5 to the power
5 to the power
12.
of 12. Of course, some numbers may be there. 3 power something or 7 power something may be there. Okay. Now, 2 power 47 can be written as 2 power 35 into 2 power 12. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Into 5 power 12. Now 2 power 35 into 2 times 5 whole power 12.
Yes.
It is equal to 2 power 35.
Times 10 to the power 12.
Yeah. Got the answer?
Largest value of n such. Oh, is it 12, sir?
Yeah, that's right. And one more thing. The number of zeros that 51 factorial has, the number of zeros that 51 factorial has. In 51 factorial, there are 12 zeros at the end for 51 factorial. Same question can be asked like the number of zeros in 51 factorial. The number of zeros in 51 factorial is nothing but the power of n. Sorry, power of 10. Power of 10 is number of zeros in it. 10 power 12 means 12 zeros after 1. It is to be multiplied by some other value. So at the end we get 12 zeros. Okay. You can count the number of zeros by practically by seeing the value of 100 factorial. Yeah, tell it the answer.
Step 50 by 3 plus plus 50 by 9 plus 50 by 27. 50 by 3. 16 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 times 3 times 3 times 3.
It's 0. 50
Yes.
by 81 is 0.
Yes. 21, 22, sir?
Yes,
The answer is 22.
that's good. With the knowledge of permutations and combinations, you can understand probability easily. So from tomorrow onwards, you will be learning probability, and those students will be learning circles or quadratic expressions. They will join from at 5:30 from tomorrow. Okay, also there in your circles are also there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from 5:30 onwards, we will be learning circles till 5:30 probability.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they may join a few minutes before that time,
Okay.
just to understand probability. Probability questions are also there for them also, but at 4:30
Yes.
to 5:30 we'll have probability. They join at
Yes.
5:30. You keep continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you promised me to make a thumbnail, that is cover page of that cover page.
Cover page.
Yeah, you can do it at our free time.
Yes.
Good, right. See you
Yes.
tomorrow.